So I wanted to touch base a little bit today, talk about food supply, water supply, things of that nature, things that you're going to have. Alright, stop. So, this is a lot of work. It honestly is. I've got 5 rows. This first row is almost done. It's almost complete. You'll notice this is the visqueen that you put underneath your mulch and stuff. If you look at it real close, you'll notice it's got a whole bunch of holes in it. That's what you want for your bottom layer. Now see, I'm not going to have to water my garden. Even though I got a water source, and when it gets really dry, I will be going to the top of the rows and pouring a bucket of water down each one. But for the most of the time, I won't have to water any of this because it's going to be condensating on itself. Now, this row right here is at the bottom of my hill. It's watermelon. Watermelons use a lot of water, of course, and tomatoes use a lot of water too. So I've got this on my outside barriers. Now on the outside edge, you'll notice there's also a mound over here. This right here, the purpose of this mound is basically to keep my water held in. That way it doesn't just run off, and that's fed by a natural spring. It never goes dry, so I don't have to worry about that. Son, hang on just a minute, please. I know. I saw her. I was telling her how to climb on there just about 10 minutes ago. Get up there and try. See if you can do it. Yeah, it's fun. So, what you want to do in your garden, so it can be completely organic, you don't have to worry about pesticides or anything like that. On your outside edge of your garden, you want to go all the way around your garden. Yeah, you'll notice I've got it literally all the way around my garden here. You want to plant cut flowers, perennials, annuals, whatever suits you best. I did have this plastic visqueen here laid across here. I watered this last night, and as you'll notice, it's about to rain, so I've got to hurry up and get this put on there. I'll tell you what the actual name of it is, but it allows water and air to come in. Annual mulch film, that's what it is. 3 foot by 50 foot. I've had it forever. But you want to take, let's see if I can find the package here. I think this is one of them.
If I fall in the water,
yeah, here we go. Everybody's seen these.
It will be fun for me.
It's just annual cut flower mix. That's it. 4 for $1. Well, 4 of them for me did about 15 feet. Now, I sprinkled some a little over there and everything. I've got this marked off, and I told the kids, stay outside of here. Don't go in there. But if you do this and you put the flowers around the outside barrier of your garden, you don't have to worry about pesticides or anything like that, because the bees will kill the bugs. You'll have all kinds of, they'll be pollinating your plants. You'll have beautiful flowers, nice garden. Now, a word to the wise, if you don't buy topsoil, I tilled this up about a month ago in preparation for planting. I did not germinate any of my seeds. I put them directly in the soil, and I'm going to germinate them in the soil. Now, once, everybody knows that when you transplant your plants, they get stronger. Well, if you just move the dirt around where the roots is once a month, they'll also get stronger. You don't have to actually transplant them to get them that strong. They will grow right here. Now that I've got all of this plastic put down, you'll notice it's 3 foot wide, 50 foot long or whatever. Just cut it to the length of your rows, which I don't have anything. Yeah?
Mama, how about the back of it?
Got to get these other 2 rows planted. And then I ran out of seeds is what happened. See, I had all this on the outside edge over here. No.
I'll get carrots.
That's what we need to do. We need to put some carrots in here. I mean, I've got a whole row over there that needs to plant, seeds on, and it's ready to go down. My little technique that I use, I don't know if anybody else does this, I just take my hand and I push it down on the dirt, get the dirt nice and spread apart, and I put my seeds down on this ledge, and then I cover that up with my topsoil. Like I've already, right here's where it stops. There's more. Yeah, I was going to plant these. I still got a package of cucumbers, but cucumbers grow everywhere. They're wild mix. Yeah, this is watermelon. Well, you don't have to have much watermelon because they're a vine and they're going to grow out and go everywhere too.
No, y'all don't do that. Don't do that. Y'all
I've got red peppers here, bell peppers here, red peppers here, then habaneros, and the very top has got beans. So the beans are going to cross-pollinate with the habaneros that I planted here, and I'm going to have hot beans, which I didn't plant very many, and I won't probably get that many out of it. It was just a package of beans I had. Yeah, I planted, let's see, some onions from here to there, and then the rest of that row is cucumbers. But yeah, next thing to do, I've got to get this covered with the plastic, and then I'll sprinkle a little dirt around the outside edge just to hold it down, and then cover it back up with visqueen. And if it starts raining, I'll uncover it, because then it's not going to wash away. You don't have to worry about that. And yeah, good to go. Just get the rest of the seeds put in here. But this is how I do my gardening. It's a lot of work. A lot of work. But there is nothing like having fresh tomatoes and fresh cucumbers. Just walk up to your garden and grab one and start eating it. There's nothing like it. So yep, onward and upward. I'll put an update on here of when this starts producing. Show you guys the end results of this, and maybe make a complete instructional. I just wanted to show you guys what I've been working on. April showers bring May flowers, so gotta get this stuff planted quick. Well, have a good day. Hope I liked the video.